Hello friends, today I am going to share how to grow moss rose in abundant quantity and in bigger size using some natural homemade compost, and using these 5 easy tips you can also grow bigger sized moss rose. Moss rose is a plant which grows very well during the hot summer season, and its beautiful blooms give a very attractive look to the garden. You can increase the size of these moss rose, both of the local variety and the hybrid ones, by using these easy and quick tips. So keep on watching the video to learn how to grow bigger moss rose. The first step is, if your moss rose is old and has wilted a little bit, then trim off all the dead parts. This will help to grow more bushy new branches. So for the first step, remove all the dead parts of the plant, and if there are any stems which are too long, you can break them and you can replant them and it will form a new plant. So this is how: trim off the excess, remove off all the dead parts. And if your plant is an old plant which was flowering, and if the plant is still having some dead buds, then you can also trim off those dead buds and any other dead parts, so that new growth happens and new buds are formed. So that's the first step that you should do, that is trimming off and pruning the plants. And if you want, you can add a few more branches so that the plant becomes bushy. While you are trimming the plants, you can also trim off those parts of the plants which have already bloomed off and has a fuzzy whitish type of look towards the tip. They will not form any new branches quickly, so that also you can remove. And after removing all these dead plants, dead parts, old wasted buds, the next step is just dig the soil a little bit to aerate the roots. For this, because it is a small container, I am using this small arrow kind of thing to dig the soil. When you dig the soil, the roots get aerated and the plants grow very well. Once you have dug the soil properly and the plants are well aerated, you can add dried tea leaf compost to the plants. I also have some dried coconut fiber in this, and these are simple tea leaf which has been dried so that it will not catch any fungus. And you can add a little bit of this to the soil, and you have to again dig it up a little bit so that the compost reaches the lower part of the soil also. So this is the first step after cutting and digging. And then you can also add banana peel fertilizer. For this, you can just take the banana peel and put it in a bottle filled with water. Keep it in shade for a couple of days or a fortnight, and you have your banana peel fertilizer. This is a liquid fertilizer which helps the plants to make bigger flowers, because banana is a very rich source of potash, and plants just love potash. They give bigger flowers, bigger fruits if you add potash to the plants. And this is a natural way to add. You can see how well the plants have grown after this treatment. And now, before the flowering starts, the last step is giving it a little bit of calcium. For this, you can use eggshell. If you are a non-vegetarian person and eat eggs, you can just wash and dry off the shells. Then you can just crush them a little bit, and using any old grinder or a mortar and a pestle, you can grind them to a fine powder. So I have made a slightly coarser powder of this eggshell, and I have also made a finer powder, and I am going to mix both of these powders and give it to the plant. The finer powder will be immediately used up by the plant for its growth and for the flowers to get bigger, and the coarser powder will be giving it nutrition throughout the weeks and coming days. And in this manner you can provide it nutrition in a continuous pattern. So for this also, you have to again dig up the plant a little bit and then take a handful of the powder, mixed powder of both the coarse and the fine kind, and you can add it to the plant. And after adding this calcium, you can water the plant. I am using tap water over here. You can also use the banana peel fertilizer for better results. And then just let the plant grow and you will definitely see an increase in the number of flowers which are growing and an increase in the size of the flowers which are growing, and you may also see that the colors have become a little bit more vibrant than the other flowers. So these are the 5 easy steps how you can grow beautiful moss rose plants during this summer season, and I hope you found this video useful. All the ingredients that I have used over here are readily available at home, and this will definitely make your flowers bigger and more abundant in quantity. So do try out these tips. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new to this channel, then do consider subscribing for more such amazing videos, and thanks for watching.